Hey everybody, I'm Jason with Thunderbird. Let's make email easier with a quick Thunderbird tip: how to rearrange the order of your accounts. One of Thunderbird's strengths is managing multiple email accounts, newsgroup accounts, and RSS feed subscriptions. But how do you display those accounts in the order that you want? First, make sure Thunderbird is in the main folder view, and then right-click on any of your accounts and then click Settings. Then, simply click and hold the account you want to rearrange and drag it where you want it. Now, when you return to your folder view, the accounts are in the order that you defined. And that's it. Let us know down in the comments if you have a suggestion for a future Thunderbird tip. And until next time, thanks for watching.